Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying the new Kiss press on fake lashes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Before we get started, I need to address two things. One, if you hear noise, it's the puppies. They're running around and making a huge mess. Here's Chunk. I don't know the last time I showed you guys him. He's getting big. He's getting really big. Here is a Bear. She is our runt. And she is literally the best dog in the world. While I'm filming, she will just lay there on the ground and watch me, or she will lay on my lap. She is so cute, and every morning when I wake up and I let them out, I will hold her and she will cry in my arms while licking me because she missed me so much. So the second thing I need to address, I look crazy. I already know that. Okay, totally know what is going on. I think it's because I have no mascara on and my eyebrows are very light, but I am currently trying out the Meredith foundation challenge, and I have to tell you guys, I don't know what to think about it yet. I don't know. I have been wanting to try these out ever since I heard of them. I remember Kelly Stracht, I believe, talking about these, and they're a press on falsies. So you guys, you're supposed to be able to wear these for 3 days before having them fall off or removing them. And also they said that there is 2 to 3 full applications in this pack right here. How crazy is that? I have tried the falscara ones where you put the bonding stuff on and then you apply the lashes. But this one, you don't have to apply anything. It already has it on the little individual pieces. All you have to do is literally put them on your lashes and you're good to go. We're gonna try it and we're going to see, does it give us that lash extension look, and how long do they actually last for? Okay, so what we're going to do, my dogs are going crazy. We're just gonna have to move on because they won't stop. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to take one cluster off. So I removed it with my fingers, and then I'm going to use this applicator and place it in there. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to go right underneath your lashes and put them on. I have no mascara or anything on my lashes right now because I want them to have the best hold, and I feel like the best hold is going to be with absolutely nothing on our lashes. So let's try it and see. Okay, that went on really easy. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take my applicator and squeeze the falsies with my natural lashes. You guys, that was like really easy. Okay, we're gonna move on. So with this cluster, I'm gonna go right next to the first one. That again was so easy. I feel like my lashes are kind of like drooping down. I'm not liking that. I want them to sit more up. We're gonna move on to the other eye. I'm not sure that this is gonna last even today, but let me finish up the other eye and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I applied some mascara to the lower lashes. I am not liking how this eye is looking. It kind of looks like it's drooping down. This eye is looking a lot more open and awake. I don't know if it's just my eye shape or if it's how I applied them, but that's kind of what I'm seeing from the viewfinder. I'm not liking this side. So we're supposed to be able to wear these extensions for up to 3 days. I don't know. I don't know if that's possible, but we're gonna put it to the test. It is currently Friday at 9:30 in the morning, so let the wear testing begin. I will check in with you guys and let you know how it's going. So yeah. Okay, you guys, it is Friday still, and it is 1:10 in the afternoon. I just changed up my makeup because I'm doing some filming, and I changed my shirt, but it is the same day. I have something to say. I went to wash my face so I could do my makeup and film a video, and when I was doing that, as soon as I started going around the eye area, now given I did not touch the eyelashes, I was staying away from the eyelashes but getting as close as possible to clean up all of the makeup, and it was not working. They were falling off, they were not on there that sturdy, and they were just not on there that good. So I don't know how people are making these last for 3 days. That to me is crazy because I can't get them to last 3 hours. I do really like the way that they look. They look very natural. They look very full. I absolutely am in love with the way that they look. I love how easy it was to apply them, but the wear is just not there. They just don't wear for that long. I do have, where are they? I do have these right here. They're like the same thing, but instead you have to apply the bonding solution to your lashes before applying the lashes themselves. I think that this is going to last a lot longer. I don't feel like it's going to be as touchy with these than the ones that I have on right now, but we'll have to try them out and I will let you guys know. But I'm gonna end the video here because yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!